The new financial year has started and there are several changes in the tax and finance regulations. These changes will influence taxpayers, investors, and even everyday banking. So if you are still not aware of it, what's happening and what are the changes, then this video is just for you. You will know everything that has been changed and where you need to take action. For that, stay around. Hi, I'm Simi from Bosswala. In this video, we will cover everything that you need to know for this financial year. From essential medicines to toll rates on highway, positive pay system for check, KYC for mutual fund and demat account, PAN card and Aadhaar connection, UPI deactivation, income tax new regime, everything that you need to know about this financial year, we are going to cover it step by step. Number 1, reserve income exemption limits. Under the new tax regime, individuals earning up to 12 lakh annually will be exempted from income tax. Additionally, salary employed can be benefit from a standard deduction of 75,000, effectively making income up to 12.7 lakh tax-free. Number 2, UPI deactivation for inactive mobile numbers. Now you must be thinking, what is inactive mobile numbers? So to enhance the security, UPI ID linked to mobile number that have been inactive for an extended period, that will be deactivated. So ensure your mobile number which is registered to your UPI ID is active so that you can continue and enjoy seamless transaction in UPI. Number 3, PAN Aadhaar linking deadline. As we know, linking your PAN to Aadhaar deadline was 31st March, and if you haven't done it yet, then you may face consequences such as non-received dividend income and increase in TDS rates, because this was crucial to complete linkage to avoid finances inconvenience. So if you haven't done yet, you need to connect to your finance advisor. Number 4, mandatory KYC for mutual fund and demat account, which has already been taken place from 1st April. KYC verification has already been compulsory for all mutual fund and demat account holders. Additionally, nominee details will also go under re-verification. So do ensure your KYC details are updated to maintain uninterrupted access to your investments. Number 5, positive pay system for checks. To combat check fraud, banks are implementing a positive pay system. That means for check up to 50,000 or more, issuer must electronically provide details to bank for verification prior to clearance. This aim is to ensure the security to high-value transactions. Number 6, revised toll rates for national highway that has already been started implementing from 1st of April. Toll charges on the national highway has been increased approximately 3%. For example, light vehicle like car has seen the increase of 5 to 10 rupees per trip, and heavy vehicles have seen the hike of 20 to 25 rupees per trip. These adjustments aim to cover the maintenance and operational cost. Number 7, price adjustment in essential medicines. Yes, you heard it right. Our basic essential medicine has also seen changes, slight changes in the price. That means price for essential medicine including painkiller, antibiotics, anti-diabetes, anti-drug, these have seen a modest increase from the 1st of April. This adjustment is with the annual price revision based on the wholesale price index. At number 8, we are all aware of it. The new tax regime introduced revised income tax slab, which has been come to effect from 1st of April. These changes aim to simplify the tax structure and provide relief to taxpayers. That means, so income under 8 lakh will pay 5%. Taxpayer with taxable income up to 12 lakh are now eligible for a rebate under Section 87A, which means effectively reducing their tax liability to zero. The rebate 87A has been raised up to 60,000. Individuals having income up to 12,75,000 will now have to pay no tax. At number 9, we have new GST rules, which means to enhance security, the multi-factor authentication MFA will be mandatory on the GST portal. Additionally, e-way bills can only be generated on the documents that are less than 180 days old. Number 10, change in minimal balance requirement. Major banks including State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank are now updating their minimum balance requirement. And if you fail to maintain the minimum balance, now you may have to pay penalties. Number 11, change in priority sector lending, which means home loan borrowers can now avail higher loan limits under priority sector lending. Borrowers can avail up to 50 lakh in metro cities, 45 lakh in two-tier city and 35 lakh up to smaller cities. At number 12, it's something for senior citizen, that is higher TDS limit for senior citizen. The TDS exemption limit on interest income for senior citizen have been increased up to 1 lakh rupees. Senior citizen can earn up to 1 lakh in interest income without TDS being deducted. Number 13, gas price rise. The government has raised the price of natural gas as produced from old legacy field by 4%, which have been come to effect from 1st of April, and this increase will impact the cost of CNG, electricity production and fertilizer manufacturing. At number 14, reduction in commercial LPG gas cylinder prices. So the oil market company have reduced the prices of 19 kg commercial LPG gas cylinders. These adjustments provide some relief to businesses that rely on LPG, including hotels and restaurants. So the latest price for a 19 kg commercial LPG cylinder in the key cities are Delhi 1762, Kolkata 1872, Mumbai 1714.50 and for Chennai it's 1924.50. These changes underscore the importance of staying updated for financial regulations to effectively manage your personal finance. Do consider and consult with your finance advisor to understand and navigate these updates seamlessly. And if you found these information useful, don't forget to share with someone who needs to be updated. And for more such insight, download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tool and resources to start, operate and grow your business. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.